Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta arrived at Entebbe International Airport this evening for a two-day state visit to Uganda. Uhuru's first stop was at the State House, where he was warmly received by President Yoweri Museveni. The visibly jovial Kenyatta was treated to a 21-gun salute and an inspection of a guard of honor, this being his first visit as head of state. The two East African leaders thereafter held closed-door bilateral talks. It is expected that the two will discuss the position of the African Union on the ongoing trial of Uhuru and Ruto at the International Criminal Court. Also highlighted by both governments in their news releases is promoting regional trade and fostering good relations between the two countries. According to sources within State House, President Museveni is expected to brief President Uhuru Kenyatta on a number of regional issues as chairman of COMESA, IGAD and ICGR. Their Rwandan counterpart Paul Kagame is expected to join them tomorrow for trilateral talks, and later the three will hold a joint press conference at State House in Entebbe. This is the first time Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta has visited Uganda in his capacity as president. Solomon Serwanja, NTV.